I created this game you are seeing here with Figma Make, right? And it's something you can play in real time. Seriously, I just got that one real time. So, what is Figma Make and what can you do with it? So, looking at this here, you can see it's looking like most AI tool, right? So, with Figma, we already know Figma can be used to design tools and design UIs, product designs, and the rest. The first thing you can do with Figma is actually using a prompt, meaning from prompt to design. So as you can see, the game I made use of, I actually used this prompt. The name of the game is Memory Match Game, and I told it that okay, design a clean, minimal memory match UI and everything. So I just copied it from ChatGPT and I put it in my Figma Make. So and this is what it gave me from scratch, right? And I can do more with this. I can say okay, change the color, do this, do that. So now I like this because you can actually see this in different sizes, right? So if you want to see it in a different font size and how optimized it is, you can actually see it from here. So now let's prompt it a little bit. So I want to tell it that I want this game to be a two-person game. Two persons can take intervals, right, playing it. So let's give it a prompt. Let's just use a layman prompt for example. Okay, so here's my prompt. I want the game to be played by two persons, right? Okay, they can take, not talk, they can take turns, right? So we're going to hit the send button, then it's going to do what it has to do. So let's wait for it to think. Then when it thinks, it's going to start writing the code. Okay, as you can see, the prompt is done and it has player 1 and player 2. So take for example, now I put this as I am player 1. I failed, right? It is now time for player 2 and player 2 has played, failed, right? Then player 1 starts again, right? Then it's now time for player 2. I think it was here and here. Oh no, let's see, let me just guess. Oh, you see, so this is addicting and we come back later to this. So with AI or Figma Make, you can prompt any design. I think it's just left for you to be very creative with your prompts and you can get a very, very good result. So the next thing we can use AI to do is to copy a design. So this is an existing landing page created by Figma actually. So you can easily copy this. So we're going to copy this and we're going to prompt in a new prompt because this is a new design. So to do that, we're just going to come here, right? Because this is a new file and we're going to paste it here. Then I'm going to tell it create the landing page. So once it's done loading, all I just need to do is click the enter button. Then it starts its job. So it's going to assess the design, assess everything, and let's see if it can create the exact landing page that we have here. So it's done doing what it's supposed to do, and this is the landing page, but we are going to check to see if this is even proper at all. So I'm going to click on the the view button. So now this is what it has for us. I think it always has an issue with footers, right? So let's look at our design to see if this is what it did and if it's far from what. So this is what we have. This is the image, this is this. Then we look back here and I think that big image is missing, but every other thing seems to be in place. So what we are going to do is we can prompt it to like, okay, take the footer to the footer. That's if it even recognizes the footer. So I'm trying to see if fix the footer position. Okay, good. So as you can see, it has fixed the footer position, and I think the footer is kind of back to the footer, I guess. So we have a lot of prompting to do, but at the end of the day, you can see what you want. And so the next thing you might want to ask is, what can we do with Figma next? You can actually copy your design. Take for example, now you design this and you want to change this, right? All you just have to do is come to this button here, copy, then you copy design. So once you copy design, you can take it to your work file and you can actually paste. So once you paste, you can zoom in and see everything that is here, and you can actually alter it, right? And make corrections where needed and do whatever thing you want to do with the files. So I believe this is one of the most requested questions, right? How do I edit? And you can edit this and upload it back to the game and say, okay, I don't want this here, I want this here, I want this changed. You get the whole 5 yards of the whole thing, right? And you can also design your stuff and take it here as a beginner prompt. So this is how you can copy your design from Figma Make into your Figma's design dashboard or workspace. So Figma Make for project managers. As a project manager myself, I have been using Figma to think ahead, right? Meaning if I want to start a project, I would be able to think, right? Like, okay, I get a prompt, I get a PRD, I want to see how this thing looks like, I want to see how it feels. Then I can, copy this AI prompt or the prompt I get from ChatGPT and put it in Figma Make, and it brings my idea to life. Then if there's any tweaking I need to do, I copy that design back to Figma, tweak it and everything, and I know the process, I know the flow, I know how the app would function, right? Because it's a real-time thing and not just design, prototype, then launch. But this time around is prototype with Figma, go back, design it very well, then launch, because you already know where your app is already. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and see you on the next episode.